Every once in a while, something drifts into our solar system that doesn't belong. It doesn't orbit the sun, and it won't be coming back. In 2019, astronomers spotted a glowing wanderer, an icy body racing through space at more than 130,000 miles per hour. It wasn't from Earth, it wasn't from Mars, it wasn't even from our sun's family of planets. This was a visitor from another star system. They named it 3I-ATLAS, and later this year, in October 2025, it will swing past our sun before vanishing back into interstellar space forever. So, what exactly is this cosmic messenger? And what secrets might it carry from beyond the stars? You're watching Signal Theory, where we explore the technology and science shaping our world. It was July 1st, 2025, when astronomers at the Atlas Observatory in Chile noticed a faint object moving across their field of view. ATLAS, short for the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, usually spends its nights scanning the skies for asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth. But on this night, it stumbled upon something far stranger. At first glance, it looked like just another faint comet. Nothing unusual. But then, orbital calculations started coming in. And that's when things got weird. Its path wasn't elliptical like most comets in our solar system. Instead, it traced a hyperbolic orbit, a trajectory so open that it could never loop back around. This was proof that the object wasn't bound to the sun. It had come from the outside, from interstellar space. This made 3I Atlas historic. Only 2 other objects had ever been confirmed to enter our solar system from the stars beyond. Oumuamua in 2017, a long cigar-shaped enigma that sparked debates about alien technology. 2I Borisov in 2019, a more traditional comet but still carrying chemistry from another star. Now, 3I Atlas joined the list, the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected. Its official designation, 3I-ATLAS. 3I marking its place in history, and ATLAS honoring the survey system that spotted it. What's remarkable is that such discoveries are astronomically rare. Astronomers estimate that billions of interstellar fragments may drift through our galaxy, but only a tiny fraction pass close enough to be noticed, and only for brief windows of time. So when one appears, it's like receiving a visitor from another civilization of stars. Chapter 2. 3I Atlas is not just drifting lazily into our neighborhood. It's tearing across the solar system at an astonishing speed. Its orbit is retrograde, tilted about 175 degrees relative to the planets, meaning it's traveling almost directly against the flow of the solar system's motion. To put it another way, it's driving the wrong way down the cosmic highway. At peak, it races at over 130,000 miles per hour, fast enough to completely escape the sun's gravity. That's more than 60 times faster than a bullet. But speed is only part of the story. Its origin may be even more fascinating. By tracing its trajectory backward, astronomers estimate it came from the direction of Sagittarius, near the galactic center. More importantly, its motion suggests it may have originated in the thick disk of the Milky Way, an ancient stellar population. That makes it potentially between 3 and 14 billion years old, possibly older than our sun itself. Think about that for a moment. This icy fragment may have been orbiting another star before our Earth had even formed, before dinosaurs walked the Earth, before life as we know it even existed. In essence, 3I-ATLAS is a time capsule from a vanished era of the galaxy. A frozen relic built in an alien solar system, drifting silently for billions of years, until now, when it happens to cross our path. Chapter 3. Measuring interstellar visitors is tricky. They're faint, fast, and fleeting. But estimates suggest that 3I Atlas's nucleus may span anywhere from 320 meters to 5.6 kilometers, possibly larger than 2I Borisov. Even more intriguing, it has already displayed surprising activity. Normally, comets wake up when they come closer to the Sun, usually within about 2 astronomical units, twice the Earth-Sun distance. That's when heat triggers ices to vaporize, creating the glowing coma and tail. But 3I Atlas began releasing gases much farther out, beyond 3.5 astronomical units. Astronomers using Hubble and NASA's SWIFT telescope detected emissions of water vapor, hydroxide, and carbon dioxide equivalent to around 40 kilograms of water every second. That's like watching a cosmic iceberg melt long before it should. Why so early? The answer may lie in its composition. Because this comet formed in another star system, it could be made of ices that vaporize at much lower temperatures than what we're used to. And that's part of the thrill. Its very chemistry could be alien. Of course, speculation always follows interstellar visitors. Oumuamua's unusual shape and unexplained acceleration had some scientists, most notably Harvard's Avi Loeb, suggesting it might even be alien technology. 3I Atlas looks more conventional, but its activity raises questions. Could it be a fragment of a shattered exoplanet? A piece of debris from a supernova explosion? Or simply a comet carrying ingredients forged around another sun? The truth may never be fully known, but one fact is undeniable. It doesn't come from here. Of course, no interstellar object arrives without controversy. Oumuamua's odd shape triggered worldwide speculation. Was it a rock, a comet, or something designed? A provocative paper by Avi Loeb and colleagues argued that its trajectory and activity could hint at something artificial. The theory: perhaps it's a piece of alien technology, or even a disguised probe. Most astronomers strongly reject this. They point out that 3I Atlas shows classical cometary signatures: water vapor, dust release, a coma. The simplest explanation is that it's just a comet. Still, the alien speculation has fueled fiery online debates. Forums, podcasts, and news outlets buzz with theories. Is it a fragment of a world we'll never see? A relic of a dead sun? Or proof we're being visited? The truth? No one knows yet. And maybe we never will. But the very fact we can even ask these questions shows how powerful these interstellar visitors are. They force us to rethink not just astronomy, but possibility itself. Soon, 3I Atlas will be gone. It will slip behind the sun, return briefly in December, and then vanish into the dark, never to return. For most people, it will pass unnoticed, just another faint smudge lost among the stars. But for astronomers, it's a fleeting treasure, a frozen relic from another world, whispering secrets across the gulf of space. 3I Atlas is a reminder that our solar system is not an island. We are part of a galaxy alive with movement, fragments drifting between stars, carrying stories older than Earth itself. It is, in every sense, a cosmic messenger. And perhaps its greatest message is this: that the universe is bigger, stranger, and more connected than we dare to imagine.